Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make money just by liking videos. So if you are someone who is trying to making money online, this video is for you. I'm gonna be showing how you're gonna be making money just by liking YouTube videos. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically what I do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. Basically what I do is that I try things online. If I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys. So all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification. If you find a value in my video, give me a like in this video. So right here, as you can see the name of the site, Pico Workers. You can see the name of the site, Pico Workers, where the work works, and an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to affordable jobs. So right here, all you need to do right here, the first thing you need to do just to click on this, get started right here. Once you click on this get started right here, it's actually loading right here. So it will actually bring you right here where you can sign up. So I say right here you can put your real name right here, put your email, put your password, repeat your password, put your nickname, select your country right here, and select this one that say I'm a worker. After that, you agree to Pico Workers terms and services. After that, you agree for them to send you news. After that, you click on this sign up right here. So but I actually have an account that I created, so I'm gonna log in to show you how I'm gonna be making money with this site. So let me click on this login right here. So let me log into my own account and show you step by step. But I basically did internet that if I find out something working for me, I show you guys so that I can do exactly the same thing and get the same result. So right here, let me log in right here. So as I'm logging in, if you have not yet subscribe and turn on the notification, so anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video right here. So you can see how the page look like. Right here you can see how the page look like. So right here you can complete tasks and earn money. You can do a bunch of work right here and earn money. If you come down right, you can see a bunch of work right here that I can do and earn money. So we pay you cents, so we pay you in dollar. So you can see a bunch of work right here that I can do and earn money. But right here you come to earn money just by liking YouTube videos. So I'm gonna click on this search right here. Once I click on this search right here, just type right here YouTube. So as you can see right here, YouTube. So right here, just click on his search right there. So you can see that I have like 4 results right here. You can see right here, this one right here, YouTube, watch and like. This one you can watch and like and get 60 cents right here. This one you can watch and like. This one right here, watch and like. This one right here you can subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you earn money. So right here, if I click on this, watch and like this first one right here, watch and like. So it's actually load up. You can see right here, you can see this right here is worldwide. So any country that you are, you can do this job. And excluded countries is Bangladesh, Ghana, Indonesia, Malaysia, Nepal, Pakistan, and other countries right here. So if you come down right, you can see what this person wants you to do right here. Okay, you can see that this one what is expected from workers. So what you have to do here is just to go to YouTube and search for the keyword. So you can just click right here, open it in new tab. So right here, click on the video with this image. So this second number 2, just open it. You see the image. It's very important. Listen to me carefully. So you can see, and step 3, that watch the video for 3 minutes. Very important. So watch the video for 3 minutes. Very important. and this they say do not comment on this video. Like you do not comment on this video. And another one right here, very important, like the video. So after that, just come down here. Once you finish the job, just come down here and you can see require proof. How many times within the 3 minutes in the video I said the word glucose trust. So right here, you will have to listen carefully for that 3 minutes. And second one here, screenshot from YouTube watch history. So you will screenshot, like when you reach that 3 minutes, you screenshot it right here and come here right here and write how many times you hear the word glucose trust, and come down right here and upload the image that you screenshot. If you upload the image, then you click on this submit proof right here. You can see submit proof right here. So once you click on this submit proof, what is gonna happen is that the person gonna review your job and know whether you do the job well. And very important, read carefully what the person wants you to do, so that you understand it. So the person gonna review your job and you're gonna get paid. So if you write here, you can see there is other job, there is other jobs that you can do right here. This one right here, you can watch video. This one right here, watch and like. This one right here, watch, comment, subscribe. This one right here, subscribe, turn on notifications. So this one right here, watch, like, comment. So it's very simple. I'll be leaving the link in the description, the link of this Pico workers. If you sign up with my link, you'll be getting like 70 cents as bonus. You're getting like 70 cents as bonus. If I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. Like I say, what I do in this channel that I try it online. If I find out something working for me, I record for show you guys how it's working for me, so they can do the same thing and get the same exact results. Thank you.